Hey guys, I'm Danny from Wander Tears, and today we're going to be showing you a tour of our Renegade camper. Let's get into it. Alright guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about the Renegade LT with the integrated 12-volt system. The idea behind this design was to make a lightweight teardrop trailer that anybody could tow with the car that they already have. So starting out with the light duty trailer frame that you can purchase online. It's a bolt together frame, but for teardrop purposes we recommend you welding certain crucial points and also modifying where the axle goes to counterbalance the weight of the tongue and the weight of the teardrop trailer. So another change that we made to this trailer frame was we changed out the axle, the hubs, and the tires and wheels, and also added larger fenders. The ones they come with are not very heavy duty, so we wanted to make sure we had enough strength in our axle and wheels to take us anywhere. All right guys, let's check out the inside. Now I'm inside. As you can see, I have plenty of space in here. Actually, I think the Renegade has a little bit more space than the Vaga, just because of the way it's built. And we try to keep the design as minimal as possible. So for the cabinets, all we have is a shelf and then a little cubby that you can store items. And then we have two 12-volt sockets. AT version comes with this. The LT standard version doesn't come with this unless you upgrade to the 12-volt system. We have some little side tables here. I think they're about 5 by 10 inches. It's perfect for a cup and a phone if you want to hold some drinks or something. We also have LED reading lights. Again, this is the LT with the 12-volt system. We also have the 4-speed vent fan, which I open it will work properly. So this is the 4-speed. You can also upgrade to the 10-speed with the rain shield. So it's a queen size mattress, so I have plenty of room. So now I'm sitting up. I have about, I'm 6'2", and sitting up on the mattress here I still have like 10 inches of head space. So no worries there. The mattress also converts into a couch, and we can do that for you as well. That's great. So now, even with the couch set up, you still have these side tables working, because it's just the right height. This is great. Alright guys, let's go back to the Galley. Now we're here in the Galley. This Galley is pretty much the same as the Vaga from the countertop up. Has all the same storage, same electronics here, and the faces of the cabinets also turn into side tables. That comes standard on both models. So I'll show you how that works real quick. Unlock it, pull down the little side table bracket, and set it in the mount. Okay, to put it back, you just lift up, press the button, push that down, and then set the little bracket in the bottom, push it in the top, close her up. She's good to go for the road. Alright, we also have Formica countertops on both models that come standard. About a 7-inch shelf here on the top. Recessed LEDs in the ceiling here on the hatch. This is an upgrade. We have a converter that actually produces 120 volt power when we're plugged into the shore power. So when we designed this, we wanted to make it exactly 8 feet long. So But if you wanted to keep the queen size mattress, you'd lose a lot of space in the galley underneath the countertop. So we still wanted to utilize that space. We weren't able to fit a cooler in there, but instead we just incorporated 2 cargo doors. And this side we put the electronics, and this side is just storage. So let's show you the inside here. So this is where we keep the battery, the power switch, and you can see the back of the converter that we use. Okay, so here on this side is just storage and also access to the converter. You might see this in most RVs or campers that you see on the market, but it basically operates when you're plugged into shore power. And when you're plugged into shore power, it converts the 120 volt to 12 volt power, so you can operate all the other lights and LEDs, things like that, that we have running off the battery when you're off the grid. It also charges the battery as well. So in here we have enough room for, this is a 4-gallon water jug. It's not big enough for a hard-sided cooler, but you could fit a soft cooler in there if you needed to. Alright guys, thanks for watching. As always, if you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe, please. If you're interested in how you can build this, we do sell the plans. We'll put the link in the description below. We have this model, the Renegade, and also the Vaga plans. We also sell custom built campers. This is our Renegade LT model with the 12 volt system upgrade. We also have an all-terrain version with a heavy duty frame with upgraded suspension and everything. We also have our Vaga. If you haven't checked that one out, we'll put a video here. Alright, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Hands in pockets. What do I do with my hands? Alright, let's take a look inside. Well, we will build it for you. Great. Are you gonna show them? Okay, yeah. Go ahead, she says.